Good morning, sir. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Rupin Bhattarai. I am 26 years old. I am from Nepal. I am unmarried. I have 5 members in my family. My education is SLC pass. My height 5.7 and weight is 59. I am medically fit and fine. I have 3 years of experience as a garbage recycling worker in Nepal. My job responsibilities are loading, unloading, storing and recycling waste. I want to come to any European country as garbage recycling worker. I want to earn money and support my family. I will stay there for the long time, maybe for 5 years. Also, I am hardworking and honest person. I can work in any weather, any outdoor worker I can manage. I will complete any agreement. Also, I will follow the company rules and policy. Thank you.